Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on this laptop. So to do it, you're gonna need an ACER support center application, which you should have pre-installed on your laptop. But if you don't worry, we can still download it from the internet. Except for you're gonna need either your serial number or SNID, but I'm gonna show you how to check it. So first open your web browser and then open any search engine, then search for the ACER drivers. Then find the official ACER.com website that says download ACER support drivers and manuals. Open this website, and in the following field you'll have to enter either your serial number or SNID. So let me show you how to enter it. What you're gonna need to check is the back side of your laptop. So let me show it to you real quick. Okay, as you can see, on the back side of your laptop you have both serial number and SNID. So take a picture of it or write it down, whichever option is more convenient for you. So once you're done, let's get back to the website. Okay, so enter either serial number or SNID right here. I'm gonna use SNID since it's shorter. Then press enter, and then on the following page scroll all the way down to application, expand this list, and here you'll find the ACER control center. Excuse me, it was control center, not the support, as I mentioned before. Okay, so just click download next to it. Now let's open this folder, and what you have to do is right click this. Okay, let's open this folder, then click setup, then click yes, then accept terms and click install. Okay, and as you can see, the installation is complete. And right now, search for this control center in your start menu or your search field. But if you cannot find it, you can as well restart your computer by accessing the start menu, going to power options and selecting restart. So now let's do this and see what happens. Okay, and so if even after the restart the application doesn't show up in your start menu, then extract this folder from here by copying it and pasting it into downloads folder like this. Then run this setup file once again. Then first remove the application by clicking remove. Let me show you how to do this. Let's click okay, next, and then click remove. And then the app will be removed, and then try to reinstall it, and after that you will 100% have this application on your computer. Okay, so to open it, you can open the start menu, then go to all applications, and then find the control center in it and run it, and wait until it loads up. And here what you have to do is select, well, let's go to the system, for example, then select checkup. Okay, and here is the diagnostic window. So If you want to run diagnostics on yours or on any of your device's hardware elements, just click check now next to it and wait until it's checked, and then you'll get a result when the hardware element is checked. As you can see, status of my SSD is good. Now I can also check the battery by clicking check next to battery health. Okay, battery health is good too. Now let's check the memory. I think that's gonna be the longest run, but let's wait. Okay, and the memory status is also good, and if you have some troubles, you'll be able to resolve them using this application. It will tell you whether your state of the hardware element is bad and what you have to do in case it is. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.